I've got a problem. I start epic song ideas, and then I get caught up on some stupid fucking dumb shit, and then I completely forget about them. But just like any problem on earth, I have found the solution. For the next 30 days, I'm gonna finish and upload a song every single day so that I can develop the habit of finishing my fucking songs. Now, I can't just make a loop and call it a song, so we need some rules. Rule number 1, it must be at least 1 minute and 30 seconds long. Rule number 2, it must have a beginning, middle, and end. Rule number 3, I have to upload it onto SoundCloud by midnight or else I cannot go to sleep. Rule number 4, that's up to you guys in the comments. Let me know, what should rule number 4 be? By the end of the 30 days, the song with the most likes will get an official release and we'll host a remix contest right here on the channel. Are you ready? Are you fucking ready? I'm not ready, bruv. Well, technically I am ready because I was born ready. I'm debating whether or not, should I continue to work on something that I've been working on? Because I've been working on this epic fucking song right here. Nothing like I've showed you ever on this channel.
Tell me what to do, I do what I want. I do what I want.
I've been really straining my voice for the past few days and I don't know if I can fucking nail the vocals like I want to nail them.
I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. I do what I want, I do what I want.
Let me know if I should make this one of the songs. Maybe we'll work on this on another day. So. Let's start a new fucking shit. Alright, that's a little bit of an idea ting. So one of the things that I'm for sure gonna do is set up timers so I can give myself deadlines to do certain things. So I just started this track, so I don't really have to give myself a deadline right now. I just need to work on it. Alright, that's kind of ill. Let's get some vocals in here.
Is it bad? I think you're cute when you're mad. Oh.
A little bit of a ting going on. A little bit of a ting going on. You know what fucking sound I hate? We are gonna use this fucking stupid, horrible fucking sound to get this shit done, dude. We're gonna make a fucking track that we can play, dude. Could probably be better, but... Okay, in the next 10 minutes, I have to have intro and build up. Fuck, okay, that's a lot. Bruv, I have like zero fucking experience with build-ups, dogs. That is such a fucking realization that I'm having right now. What the fricksticles? All right, whatever. This is what it's about, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get fucking super good at build-ups. Okay, shut the fuck up, I got 5 minutes. Hey, real quick though, those drums, those fire-ass drums you just heard, destruction, blam! And that synth I just designed, it will be in my pack Revolucion, volume 2. So by the time you see this video, those packs will be updated with these sounds. My mic went out, but I did it. I uploaded it before midnight. It's up on SoundCloud right now. Ah, fuck. I'm tired, bro. I'm too tired to get in the car, so we're just gonna do an AirPod test. I'm pretty low energy, I'm not gonna lie.
Is it bad? I think you're cute when you're mad.
I want to do like some voice glitches right
there. Taking me off turns you on.
So much like that.
Is it bad? No. I think you're cute.
Yeah.
I think you're cute.
Oh shit.
I think you're cute.
Fuck yeah.
I think you're cute. Is it bad? I think you're cute. Oh, you're cute when you're mad.
Some shit like that.
Is
dude.
it
Something like that.
wrong? Taking me off turns you on. Is it bad? No. I think you're cute. I think you're cute.
If I had more time, I would have made this into like a drum and bass part. I think that would have really fucking hit if this was faster. It would have really made the end like more energetic, as it should be, right?
Oh, is it wrong? I think you're cute. Oh.
Hell yeah, I fuck with that structure. What do you guys think? Honestly, I'm hella surprised how fucking awesome this shit came out. And it's just the first day, yo. Shoutouts Bright Lights for the vocals, shoutouts Jules for the song inspiration, and shoutouts to Kyle Beats for the video inspiration. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like so the algorithm will show this. This song is pretty cool, I like it. It could be better, obviously. Things could always improve. I don't know when if perfection will ever be reached, if we're not already there. And improvement is just part of perfection. If you want to do this challenge with me, join my Discord server, link in the description, and I'm gonna be in your fucking ass every single day.